Hi everybody, my name is Audy Butler. I am the owner and head coach at 406 Barbell, and I'm also a member of the Big Sky Blanket Club along with all of you. And when I found out that this year's theme was meditation in the making, I was super excited. And so today I'm going to offer a take on implementing a meditative process into your work. That's something that I actually use with a lot of my clients, but also myself on a daily basis. And I guess whether you're a seasoned meditation practitioner, whether you've never tried it, most of us can agree that meditating involves being present, being reflective, setting intention for our space, our life, our energy. And so one form of meditation that I particularly enjoy is to have a gratitude practice. So that's what our video today is going to be about. One of my favorite books, and I will be referencing it all through this video and in the email corresponding, is called The Magic by Rhonda Byrne. She discusses that gratitude practices can be done with breath work, similar to meditative practices, through various activities throughout the day, and by keeping a journal. A journal, you say? So I thought how wonderful that we can enter the Big Sky Blanket Club. We have the most amazing journal. So I want to give you 3 ways to consider incorporating gratitude and therefore some extra reflection and meditation to the art that's in your hands. Okay, ready? Okay, so number 1, each day in the daily section of the journal where maybe you log your temperatures, I want you to make a bullet point list, or you can, make a bullet list for 5 to 10 things that you're grateful for. Just bullet them down, make a quick list, or a slow list. When you are finished, I want you to take some time and I want you to read the sentence, I want you to make a sentence and read it out loud to yourself or say it in your mind. And I want you to insert each item that you wrote into the sentence saying, I am grateful for, insert item, because, and then insert your reason. So it might sound like, I'll give you one example from mine today. I am so grateful for the sunshine because it makes it easier for me to get out of bed. It is such an energizing and gorgeous part of my day, and living in Montana, I just live for the warmth of the sun. That's pretty elaborate. It can be a little even shorter than that. Let's see. I am grateful for technology today because it made communications easy this morning. Regardless of what you choose to use as the topic or the reason, I'd like you to end each sentence with 3 thank yous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So including the reason we do that is to really emphasize, get those emotions feeling stronger and help to increase the energy and the mood lift that are already pretty built in with having a gratitude list like that. Okay, so number 2, and this one's probably my favorite. It is very simple. So as you go through and you're crocheting or knitting, I want you to just think of one thing you're grateful for with each stitch. You don't need to do the full sentence here, just go. Just as you go, see how far you can go, how many stitches you get, how many rows you get. I maybe do this weekly. You can keep a little track if you want to of that. Or you can, let's say we want to do this once a week. I pick a different person. Maybe it's the person you're making your blanket for. And as I go, I think of one thing about that person that I love with each stitch, or one thing I'm grateful for about that person. Man, really, when you're finished, there is literally extra love woven in. I have given a gift to someone that I created, and it just felt really fun to know that I had been thinking about them with literally almost every stitch. Okay, so finally, I like to mix a little manifestation in with my gratitude. So here's number 3. I want you to pick a page in the back of your journal, in the notes section, maybe. And I made just a short list here for demo today, but I want you to write down a list of things that you want to see happen. We're manifesting here. So I want you to make a list of things that you want to come to fruition. So similar to number 1, after you've made your list, Maybe it says, thank you. Maybe there's money that you need for something. Maybe there's a job you're hoping for. Maybe you're wanting to reconnect with an old friend. You could have a sentence saying, thank you so much for the conversation that led to a coffee date with my bestie. Or thank you for the first $20,000 quarter I've had in my business. So whatever the item is, we want to actually bring it into reality by being grateful for it ahead of time. So one key that I remind myself of in this one is that it is not up to me to figure out how or why things will take place. Just to put my desires, my gratitude, and my energy behind it. I am so grateful to you for taking the time to create your blanket and to watching the video and for being in the Incredible Sticks community. Thank you, thank you, thank you.